Welcome back! Today we're diving into the best portable electric welding machines for 2025. Forget the myth that welding is just for pros. These compact powerhouses make it accessible for everyone. We'll spotlight 4 standout welders, each with unique engineering and design. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned fabricator, there's something here for you. These machines are powerful, intuitive, and ready for any project. Grab your safety glasses. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, meet the Tvgoo portable handheld welding machine, a compact powerhouse that brings professional-grade welding right to your fingertips. Say goodbye to bulky equipment. This welder is all about convenience, performance, and portability. At its core is advanced IGBT inverter technology, delivering stable, smooth arcs and clean welds. Features usually found in pro machines, now in a portable frame. The intuitive power control lets you fine-tune amperage for any project, from delicate sheet metal to thick steel. Versatility and precision are at your command. Weighing less than your lunch, it's ultra-portable, perfect for field repairs or tight spaces where larger machines can't reach. Beginners will love the hot arc start feature, making arc ignition easy and frustration-free. Just strike and weld, no hassle. Safety is built in, with a 360-degree cooling system and protection against overheating, overcurrent, and overvoltage, so you can weld with confidence. The Tvgoo delivers precision, portability, and peace of mind, ideal for pros and beginners alike. Experience pro-level results anywhere, anytime, whether you're fixing equipment, building structures, or just learning. This welder puts serious power in the palm of your hand, ready for any task. Let's see the Tvgoo in action, showcasing its capabilities and ease of use. Meet the HIZONE handheld MIG welder, a true game-changer for DIYers, hobbyists, and anyone eager to weld with confidence. Today we'll take a deep dive into what makes this welder stand out, and why it's the perfect choice for both beginners and experienced users. Right out of the box, you'll notice its compact, lightweight design. The ergonomic handle fits perfectly in your hand, making it easy to maneuver and control even during longer projects. No more fatigue or awkward angles, just smooth, comfortable welding. The HIZONE's innovative gasless MIG system uses self-shielding flux cord wire, so you don't need to worry about external gas tanks or complicated setups. Just load the wire, plug it in, and you're ready to weld, anywhere, anytime. This welder delivers a robust 100 amp output, giving you plenty of power for a wide range of projects, from quick home repairs to creative builds in your garage or workshop. Its performance rivals much larger, more expensive machines. One of the best things about the HIZONE is how beginner-friendly it is. The controls are simple and intuitive, so you can adjust settings with confidence, even if you've never welded before. There's no steep learning curve, just straightforward operation. The kit comes fully loaded with everything you need to get started: a spool of wire, a sturdy welding mask, a reliable clamp, and a cleaning brush. No need to hunt for extra accessories, just open the box and you're ready to go. Watch as a first-time user sets up the HIZONE and starts welding within minutes. The clear instructions and intuitive design mean you can go from unboxing to your first weld quickly and confidently. The HIZONE's safety features are top-notch. Built-in thermal overload protection, automatic shut-off, and a durable, insulated body keep you safe while you work. You can focus on your project, knowing the machine is looking out for you. The advanced cooling system ensures the welder stays at the right temperature, even during extended use. This not only protects the machine but also extends its lifespan, so you can rely on it for years to come. Whether you're repairing a fence, building a metal frame, or tackling creative projects, the HIZONE adapts to your needs. Its versatility means you can work with different metals and thicknesses, all with the same reliable performance. Even if you've never welded before, you'll find yourself making clean, strong welds in no time. The stable arc and consistent output help you avoid common beginner mistakes like sputtering or uneven beads. The HIZONE is also incredibly portable. Its lightweight build and compact size mean you can take it anywhere, whether you're working in your garage, out in the yard, or helping a friend with a project. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. The included brush makes it easy to keep your equipment in top shape, so it's always ready for your next project. With its blend of simplicity, safety, and performance, the HIZONE handheld MIG welder is your ticket to successful welding, no matter your experience level. Open the box, follow the easy steps, and start creating with confidence. Meet the Saker portable electric welding machine, a true pocket-sized powerhouse that's redefining what portable welding can be. Whether you're a professional on the go or a DIY enthusiast, this welder is designed to fit your lifestyle and your workspace. At just a fraction of the size of traditional welders, the Saker slips easily into a backpack or toolbox. Imagine carrying professional-grade welding power wherever you need it, no more lugging around heavy, bulky equipment. But don't let its size fool you. The Saker is tiny but mighty, engineered to deliver serious performance in a compact frame. Its robust build means you can rely on it for demanding jobs time after time. The heart of the Saker is its advanced IGBT inverter technology. This innovation ensures a stable, smooth arc, giving you clean, precise welds every single time, no matter your skill level. The pocket-sized frame means you can tackle repairs in the tightest spaces, under vehicles, inside machinery, or up on scaffolding. The Saker goes where bigger machines simply can't. It's perfect for mobile repairs, whether you're fixing a fence in the field, patching up equipment on a job site, or handling emergency fixes at home. Adjustable from 20 to 120 amps, the Saker gives you the flexibility to work on everything from delicate sheet metal to thicker steel. Just dial in your settings and get to work. Need to switch between different materials? The Saker supports multiple rod sizes so you can weld a variety of metals with ease: steel, stainless, and more. Its intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to get started, while experienced welders will appreciate the fine-tuned precision. No complicated setup, just plug in and start welding. The Saker's smart cooling system keeps the machine running strong, even during long sessions. Overheat protection and advanced safety features mean you can focus on your work with total peace of mind. Safety is built in from the ground up. The Saker features automatic shutoff for overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, protecting both you and your investment. Its rugged exterior is built to withstand tough environments. Dust, drops, and daily wear are no match for the Saker's durable design. Whether you're working in a busy workshop or out in the field, the Saker adapts to your needs. Its lightweight build means you can move from project to project without missing a beat. The Saker is also energy efficient, drawing less power while delivering maximum output. That means lower electricity bills and more sustainable operation. For creative projects, repairs, or construction, this welder is your go-to tool. Weld garden gates, repair auto parts, or build custom metalwork, the possibilities are endless. The Saker proves you don't need a big machine for big results. Its performance rivals much larger welders, but with unmatched portability and convenience. It's the ultimate tool for welders on the move, perfect for contractors, artists, farmers, and anyone who values flexibility and power in one compact package. And with its user-friendly design, even first-timers can achieve professional-looking welds. The Saker makes learning easy and mastering welding fun. Ready to see what this mini powerhouse can do? Watch as the Saker tackles a range of real-world welding challenges, big and small. The Saker portable electric welding machine, compact, powerful, and ready for anything. Take your welding to the next level wherever you are. Stepping into the world of welding can seem daunting, but with the right equipment, it becomes an accessible and rewarding skill for anyone. Meet the Unworta 110V portable handheld welding machine, a true game-changer for beginners eager to learn the ropes. This welder is designed from the ground up with first-timers in mind, making it easy to get started and build confidence. Its lightweight, compact design means you can take it anywhere: your garage, a friend's house, or even a job site. No more struggling with heavy, complicated equipment. The Unworta welder is truly plug-and-play. Just connect it to any standard outlet, no special wiring or setup required. You'll be ready to weld in minutes. Its intuitive controls are perfect for beginners. With a simple 5-gear current adjustment, you can easily match the power to your project. No guesswork, just results. The clear, easy-to-read display shows your settings at a glance, so you can focus on your technique and not on complicated configurations. The IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable, smooth arc every time. This means fewer sparks, less sputtering, and more consistent welds, making learning frustration-free. Even if you've never welded before, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can pick up the basics and start creating strong, clean welds. The Unworta is compatible with a wide range of rods and metals, so you can experiment and grow your skills as you gain experience. Safety is a top priority. The Unworta welder features advanced cooling to prevent overheating, plus built-in protection against overcurrent and overvoltage. You can weld with peace of mind knowing you're protected. The machine's durable build and reliable components mean it will last through countless projects, whether you're fixing, building, or just practicing. And if you ever need help, Unwerta's customer support is there for you. Their friendly team can answer questions about setup, technique, or troubleshooting, so you're never alone on your welding journey. Whether you prefer chatting online, calling, or emailing, Unwerta's support team is ready to guide you every step of the way. The Unwerta welder comes as a complete kit, including everything you need to get started: welding rods, a mask, a clamp, and a cleaning brush. Open the box and you're ready to go. It's perfect for home repairs, creative projects, or learning a new trade. The Unwerta makes welding accessible, fun, and safe for everyone. As you gain confidence, you'll discover new possibilities, different materials, techniques, and projects. The Unwerta grows with you, supporting your progress every step of the way. For anyone new to welding, this is the perfect entry point. You get simplicity, versatility, and support all in one package. So are you ready to spark your welding journey? With the Unwerta 110V portable handheld welding machine, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Let's see how easy it is to get started, and what you can create with your very first weld. There you have it. 4 top portable welders, each with unique strengths. Check the video description for links and specs to find your perfect match. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like and subscribe for more tool deep dives. Tell us in the comments which welder you'd choose and what you'll build first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.